Hello there, I'm Guy Vardaman. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'd like to start focusing on some specific projects. I do a lot of replica robot builds, and I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube of a similar type, and I thought, why don't I start filming and sharing this? And along the way, I'm sure that I'll have lots of stories about Star Trek and discussions about Star Wars and other friends who also build that I can bring along for the ride. And I want to clean up my garage. I've got tons of junk and cool stuff and partial projects and things that I picked up years ago that I thought I might use or might want to do something with that I haven't, or maybe I'm just waiting for the right opportunity, and hopefully that comes along soon. So I have a few other friends who are also starting out YouTube channels or have started recently. So that's been kind of fun because we can all talk about what we're doing and what about this for content. And so I've got some footage that I've shot of my garage as sort of the before shots. And oddly enough, some of those were a few years ago. And while things have changed in my garage, they haven't necessarily gotten any better. So I'll put some B-roll in of some of that and probably do a number of future videos showing areas that I want to organize better and clean out and throw away stuff, or maybe ask for advice from any of you about what I can do with some of those things, keep it clean, and any ideas that people have. So I'll also take questions, and I'm happy to answer whatever questions I can. And that's often a great way for me to get started telling a story, just like in a convention environment where you get questions and maybe it's something you hadn't thought of or hadn't remembered until that moment. So hopefully that'll drive a lot of the conversation. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but this is already probably about twice as long as it should be. So I think I'll end it here. And again, thanks for joining and hopefully subscribing and ringing the notification bell. And if you like it ever, give it a like. If you don't like it, give it a dislike so that I know what's good and what's bad. And if you can leave a comment and say boring or cool or anything to let me know, then that'll help, again, steer the direction of this channel. Thank you so much. All right. Bye for now.